Good morning, boys and girls. Today for the science, you're going to need your scientific process page and your engineering design process page. What I would like you to do is you can cut and glue these over here in the correct order if you'd like to. If you don't want to cut and glue, I'm okay with you writing the bold word over in the box in the correct order. So remember, for the engineering design process, that is what we do when we're building something. So first we have to think about all the different possibilities of the things that are out there, and then we pick one and we're like, okay, how can we build this? And then we do our plan. Then we have to talk to other people and see how it goes, see what we can do better, and then we make it better if we can. Okay, so those are some tips to help you put these words in order. So the words that you're writing over here would be improve, plan, imagine, communicate, ask, and create. But these are not in the right order. So I want you to put them in the right order over here. And then for the scientific process, remember that is what we do when we are testing an experiment. So first we have to have a question that we're asking, and then we think of what the answer might be. We do the experiment. We have to see what happens during the experiment, and then we wind up with our final, I can't tell you the word because it's on here. But this should help you put these ones in order. Again, you can cut and glue, or you can just write ask, do, answer, observe, and guess in the right order up here. Okay? And then make sure to turn those both in today for your attendance. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.